So, good evening to everyone. It's me, Aradhna Thakur, and I am favor with offline classes. So, in my point, I think that offline classes are good because if we are having any doubt, so we can ask to the teacher face to face. But in online classes, we have to chat, and sometimes the chats are going fastly, and the teachers cannot see the children's doubt.
So good evening everyone, it's me Priyangi Rathore and I favor online classes because in online classes if you are living another place so you can not come to from there to here so you can study from online classes.
Hello everyone, it's me Kwaishtar Thani. So I am going to talk about the offline classes because the offline classes the children are in discipline, and in the online classes the children wear the colorful dress. This is not called the discipline.
Good evening everyone, I am Himanshi Meena and today I am taking the favor of the online classes. As you said that the children are wearing the colorful dresses, so if you want to say, so in the offline classes, in the personal study there is also offline classes. The students are wearing the colorful dress. It is also not discipline. So in the most of the offline classes there is also not discipline.
But in offline classes we have more fun than online classes. Like sometimes we are playing games, and in online classes we have to only study.
You say that in the online class we have to only study. It is not that thing that we can't play anything. The teachers in the online classes, they know also the how to teach. That most of the teacher don't say teach sincerely. They also teach by one, and they also do something like related, and they also show the practical of that thing. Like there is many of the videos who in the physics videos I saw while watching the YouTube. So the sirs who teach that, so they also show the practical, and by seeing that and following the many of the things they told us, so it is also like the fun that in the online classes we can also do the fun. It is not that thing.
But in the time of festival, the school organized the celebration, and there is so much fun. We have to wear the colorful dresses, but not in online classes. We go to school and meet our friends and greet to our teachers.
But like Diwali is coming, so your school is providing holidays or your school is providing celebration.
But sometimes in offline classes, we are, as Khwahish said, that our school is providing us many things, and the means and online classes some for 2-3 days we are having holidays, but in offline classes we are having long holidays.
So there is holidays, so we cannot learn good things, and we have to we enjoy on that. But in online classes on that holidays, we can learn new things. So that is good for us.
So firstly, what you asked the question, I have the answer that today was my celebration of Diwali. Every school has the celebration of every function like Holi, Diwali, Dashera, etc.
And if I want to say one thing, that the children who wants to come to the school or the coaching for or the college for the studies, not for the celebration, or it also for him or her, it is the wasting of our time only, na. And then one thing I want to mention here, like if we are telling that there are the celebrations, so there are also the discount also there are. Like there is the in the persona there is also offer of Diwali. So in the West festivals, there the institute also many of the places they give offers.
But means we can in holidays that we can learn new things that that our teacher gave us on offline homeworks that our teacher gives us.
And online we get homeworks. And online also. And if you say one point, you in the beginning you say that we do chatting at all, and the chatting goes so fast, so teacher can't be able to answer every question. So one thing, and I want to say, in the offline classes, many of the children get scared to ask the question. but because there are most of the public and the people the many of the students are there, or if he has the normal or he think that it is not that type of question that I should ask between the peoples or between the students, so he can't be able to ask that question. And one thing, if he decided to ask in a last, so in the last the teacher also have another class, he or she is going in another class, so he can't be able to answer that question in a proper way. But in the online classes it is not. If we do chat, if we have any doubt, or if we have to many of the doubts we can ask, and because without scaring to teacher or hesitation.
But in the offline class, we boost our confidence to ask the question in front of the people. We speak in front of the people. It boosts our confidence. Yes, I agree with Khwahish that why parents are allowing us to go in offline classes, because we learn new things and we can ask and we are not having any public fear. And sometimes, as we are seeing that in online classes, our mobile is front of us, and in our and we are saying that, oh, tick, nothing will happen, and we are taking. But in offline classes, strictly we have to follow the rules.
How can you say that in the online classes there are not all rules? In the online classes there are also the rules, like in the many of the many of the online classes there are also rules. And one thing I partially agree with you, partially, that our parents will send, but I want to say, if any students are preparing for any exam, or if the course or the institute courses price is 1 lakh or more than it, so the how can he or she be able to take it? The middle class student can't be able to prefer it, so he or she will always only take the online classes. He or she will prefer the online classes, not the offline classes, because the course price is not sufficient for him.